Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. And good morning as well from my side. So today we will again solve our running series, that is stack. So in the stack I have solved some of the question. So I hope कि आप उसे I'm right now I'm making the videos in both English and Hindi so that everyone can understand. So हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोगों ने इस टैग सीरीज को एक्सेस किया होगा. If not, please access it, and we will and please move and please like the video and subscribe as well if you really like the video. If it is very helpful for you, then you can like it. अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आ रहा है तो आप मत लाइक करिए. हम ये नहीं कहते हैं कि नहीं आप लाइक करिए ही करिए, मेरा हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं तो आप लाइक करिए. नहीं, मेहनत करना अलग बात होती है, लेकिन उसका आउटपुट निकलना अलग चीज़ होती है. सो दो चीज़ें होती हैं, या फिर हम मेहनत कर लें आउटपुट निकल रहा है, या फिर मेहनत करें आउटपुट ना निकले. अगर आउटपुट नहीं निकलता है, सो यू कांट से कि नहीं हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं, या योर हार्ड वर्क इज इन राइट डायरेक्शन बट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द आउटपुट, देन मीन्स यू नीड टू चेंज द वे, बट यू डू नॉट नीड टू चेंज द एम. सो बस मेरा इतना कहना है कि अगर आपको पसंद आता है तो आप जरूर करिएगा, अगर आता है तो जरूर करिए. करिए भी जरूर अगर आता है, अगर नहीं आता है तो मत करिए. ओके. सो अच्छा, चलिए हम अपना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करते हैं. इसमें दिया गया है कि हमको एक ये दिया गया है, दिस वन, दैट इज वी हैव a one root, and the root tree is this one, and here there are some number of operation we need to perform. So in the next operation we need to return the next value. Okay, we need to return the next value, and the next will give you the smallest value. Smallest example, if it is next, then what is the smallest value is 3, and every time and in order traversal gives you the smallest value. So what is in order traversal? In order traversal is left node right. So 3 is the smallest, this is left, then node 7 is the smallest after 3, then what is right? In the right direction there is 9, again 15, 20. So in order traversal, the bst traversal and the in order traversal of bst always give you the sorted array. Okay, so and it is given that, and here it is also given that we need to perform in order traversal here. Okay, now here we next will give you the in order traversal. So it will give you first 3, then it will give 7, and here it is given has next. Whether you have next element or not, yes we have, that is 9. Then has next, then next element is 9. Has next, yes we have, there we have two elements, 15 and 20. Now we will return 15. Has next, yes I have 20 element. Now here we will return 20. Has next, no, we there is no element, so I need to return false. So that is only perform. And so what is a brute force approach? The brute force approach that we will take one of the array, and here we will here we will store the array in order traversal form. Like we will perform in order traversal, and we will store we will store all the element in our array. So right now if it will ask me next element, that is 3, next element that is 7. Has next element, yes, so that is true. Next element 9. Has next, yes, 15 and 20. So next element is 15. Has next, yes, we have 20, so we will return true. So the next element is 20. Okay, now has next, now I have reached to the end of the array. Now there is no element, now I need to return false. So this will take big of n time, because here we are storing n node. Okay, but in the question it is given. So I hope this is very clear that what you need to do, you need to just insert, you need to just traverse the array, and you need to just traverse the tree in order form and store the array, and on the basis of array you need to return the next value and the has next boolean value. And here it is given that कि आपको next value और has next का जो एवरेज टाइम है वो तो बिग ऑफ एन है, और यहाँ पर भी हमारे बिग ऑफ एन है, बिकॉज वी हैव एन एरे एंड वी आर डायरेक्टली एक्सेसिंग द the index value, or what we need, we are accessing it in big of n time, but we are using big of n extra space. So here it is given that we need to perform big of h operation, or we need to store big of h memory. So how we can solve it? Okay, now this is also very easy. How? So every time we will store the left part of the tree. Okay, just assume we need to store left part. So left part is 7 and 3. Now what is the height is 3, and we have stored the less than height of the height is 3, but we have stored two element, means it is less than height. So this is correct. Till now I have corrected, मैंने अभी तक सही किया हुआ है. Now it will ask next element. I will simply pop the 3. Then it will ask me the next element. I will simply return 7. But before popping, I need to check to the right side of it. Okay, so it will ask me next element. I will say yes, I have come. हम लोग को 3 दे देंगे, हाँ तुम. So before so हमको इसको pop करने से पहले, before popping we need to check the right of it. So in the right of it there is no element. Okay, if we have right of it, then we need to traverse the left side of that particular right element. So what it means? Okay, so there is no element, so I will simply return 3. Now it will again ask, say, you have next element? Yes, I have 7. Okay, so pop the 7. So before popping the 7, I need to return the right of it. So in the right of it we have 15. So 15, then we need to traverse the left of it. So assume that we have a logic for traversing the left of it. Okay, we have a function which traverse the left. So I will, before popping the 7, I will check the right. Yes, we have 15. Now I will send the 15 as a root and it will traverse the left of it. So now I have popped the element 7, and before popping I have called the left of it, so it will store 9 comma 15. So here I have pop 3 7. Okay, now it will ask has 7. Yes, so I will return true. Now next element, what is next element? Next element is 9. Okay, now I have popped 9. Okay, now after popping 9, or you can say before popping 9, you will understand what's my mean. So when I have popped 9, I will check the right of it. There is right of it? No. Okay, so I do not insert any element. Now I need to, it will again ask has nest? Yes, we have, true. Now next element is 15. Now I have popped. Okay, I have popped, and after popping I need to check the right of it. Right of it is 20. Now in our array we will have again 20. Now it will again ask, do you have any next element? Yes, I have, that is 20. Next element is 20. Okay, I need to pop it as well. Now it will ask me has nest? No, my array is empty, so it will return false. So that's it. Every time you need to traverse, first you need to traverse the left of it, because this is the most smallest part of our BSP, so this will return simply. So but before, so after storing left, how you will come at the right side? So you need to write one of the logic by which you can traverse the right of it. So after popping 7, you need to check the 15. And why you are traversing only left side? Because left side give you the minimum element, because next always give you the minimum element. So that's why I need to return the minimum element, because if you will traverse the right side of 15, that will give you the maximum value than 15, but you need to return the minimum value, because first you need to return the minimum value. So when you have done with the minimum value, then when you are come at that point where you have the right side of it, what it means, आपको आप जब ऐसी जगह पहुंच गए जहां पर आपका राइट साइड है, इसका मतलब क्या है, जो भी उसके राइट साइड में है वो उसके रूट से बड़ा है, मतलब 15 से सारी वैल्यूज बड़ी हैं. सो आपको पहले उसकी छोटी वैल्यू को भी ट्रैवर्स करना होगा, है ना. यू नीड टू ट्रैवर्स द smaller values than 15, then you have to go to the larger value than 15. So every time you need to traverse the left of it. जब आपने left traverse कर लिया, then what you can ensure, you can ensure that I have traversed all the left values, all the smallest value than 15. Now you need to traverse the right side of 15, and that is a greater one. So I hope this is clear. Now we will solve this question as soon as possible. Now let's take the stack. Now you need to iterate the tree. Okay, root. Okay, now here we need to make one of the tree that will take as node. Now I need to traverse every time. Now I need to traverse every time the left of it. Node is equals to node. Now it is done. And now what you need to do here is you need to simply next node. So what you need to do here is stack dot pop. Okay, and before, now you have popped the element. Now you need to call the iterate tree as next tree dot next three dot next three dot right. Okay, now you need to return the next. So here you need to return the value as well. Now what you need to return here is self dot stack is equals to empty. Okay, now you have called the next of it and you have popped the element. Now you are calling, now you are traversing the tree, and you need to say you are sending the right side of that particular popped element, and you need to return that particular. Here we need to return the element, not the root, not the tree root. We need to fetch the value from that tree node. Let's try to submit it. uh, so here I need to comment this, so I have commented. Now right now we need to run. So here we have stored and we are calling here the right of it, and here we are storing every time the left side of that particular element. So let's try to run and submit it as well. So it has been submitted. So I hope you have understood, guys. Here we are using big of h extra space, and if and next and has next is big of one time. So I hope you understood, guys. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, bye.